Welcome to my YouTube channel RTLab Genius. In today's session, we are taking chapter 3 of recently launched Excel 2022 course, focusing on Exp22 Excel chapter 3 cumulative assessment movie. I will guide you through this assignment step by step, making it easy for you to follow, and you can done your assignment by watching this video. Here is project description. Okay, you can contact me for your assignment, quizzes, exams, or complete course. Moving on step number 5, step number 1. Here you can see project description here to get idea about your project. Moving on step number 1. Step number 1 is about Excel workbook. Excel and start Excel, download and open the file name. Basically we will have to download Excel workbook from ATLab dashboard. I have already downloaded Excel workbook from ATLab dashboard, you can see here. Okay, let's start this assignment step by step. Now step number 2. Step number 2 is select range F5 to A10 and F5 to F10. Create a pie chart and move it to chart sheet name April pie chart. Basically in this step we will create a pie chart and first we will select range and then we will create a pie chart. Okay, first I will select this range. Go to Excel workbook. This range is selected. Now range 2 F5 to F10. Press Ctrl and select range second range F5 to F10. Basically in this step we will have to create a pie chart. Go to insert tab, recommended chart, click on pie chart. Okay, pie chart will be created. Okay, and it move it to a chart sheet name April pie chart. We will move this chart to new chart sheet name April pie chart. Go to move chart, tab, new sheet, April pie chart. Okay, it will be moved. Step number 2 is completed now. Step number 3 is that type April 2024 download by genre as the chart title. Apply bold 18pt font size and black text font color. Basically in this step we will type chart title April 2024 download by genre. Okay, first we select the chart title, go to chart title. Okay, tap formula bar and click on enter. Okay, chart title is selected. Chart title is apply bold 18 pt font size and black text font color. Click on chart title, go to home tab, bold. Okay, and here is a font size, 18 font size. Okay, and black text font color. For font color, applying for font color is go to home tab. Here is fill color, here is font color. Go to font color and select black text font color. Okay, I have done 3 steps of this assignment. Now I am moving on step number 4. Step number 4 is that at data label and the inside end position, select the categories name and percentage labels. Remove value, data label and legend. Apply 14 pt font size, black text font color to data labels. Basically in this step we will add a data labels inside end position. Then we will go to select categories name and percentage labels, and we will remove value, data label and legends. Okay, go to Excel workbook, click on here, remove legend, data label, inside end position. Inside end position, go to more options. Okay, we will select categories name and percentage, and we will remove value. Okay, fourth step is completed now. Now I'm moving on step number sorry, here is apply 14 pt font size and black text one color to the data labels. Go to work Excel workbook, and here is font size and select 14, and here is font color and black text font color. Okay, fourth step is completed. Now I'm moving on step number 5. Step number 5 is that explore the commodity slice by 7% and apply dark red fill color. Okay, basically we will explore the commodity slice 7% and we will apply dark red fill color. Okay, go to Excel workbook. Here is commodity slide. Double click on commodity slide, and here is we can explore 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 7%, and we will apply dark red color. Here is fill color. Go to fill color, and here is red color, and here is dark red color. We will apply dark red color. Okay, step is completed. Now I'm moving on step number 6. Step number 6 is that the pie chart shows percentage of download January of the April 2024. Basically, in this step, we will add all text. For applying all text, go to Excel workbook, right click on chart. Here is all text. Click on this box. Okay, enter. All text will be added. Okay. Now sixth step is completed. Moving on step number 7. Display the datasheet, select the range A4 to A10 and A4 to G10, and then create clustered column, line or secondary axis combo chart. Basically in this step we will select the first range, then we will create a clustered column, line or secondary axis combo chart. Okay, first we will select this range. Go to Excel workbook, data worksheet, go to Excel workbook. First range is selected. Now F4 to G10. For second range, click on control. Here is F4 to G10. Okay. Then create a cluster column, line or secondary axis combo chart. Go to Excel workbook, click on insert tab. Here is combo chart. Here is combo chart. Cluster column, line or secondary axis. Okay. Combo chart will be created. Okay, step number 7 is completed now. Now moving on step number 8. Step number 8 is that cut the chart and paste into a cell A13. Change the height 3.5 inches and the width is to 6 inches. Cut the chart and paste into A13. Cut this chart and paste into A13. Okay. Then we will change height and weight. Here is height. For change height, go to home tab and go to format. Here is height, and for weight change, here is weight. Okay, 8th step of this assignment is completed. Now I'm moving on step number 9. Step number 9 is that change the combo chart title April 2024 downloads. Apply black text font color to the chart title. First we will select this title. Basically in this step we will change the chart title and then apply text font color to the title on chart title. Okay, go to Excel workbook, click on chart title, type in formula bar. Okay, chart title is added. Now go to home tab. For applying font color, here is black text font. Okay, I have done 9 step. Now I am moving on step number 10. Step number 10 is about add a primary value axis title and tab number of downloads. Add a secondary value axis title and tab percentage of monthly downloads. Apply black text font color to both value axis title. Okay, basically in this step we will add a primary value access title and we will apply secondary value access title. For primary value access title, first we will select this title and go to Excel workbook. Click on here and go to access title. Select primary. Access title. Select primary horizontal, primary vertical. Access title. Both are okay. Here is access title, primary access title. Okay, title will be changed. Now secondary. Now we will change the secondary access title. Go to Excel workbook. Click on here. Access title. Secondary. Okay, secondary access title is here. Access title, secondary access title. Okay. Access title will be changed. Primary and secondary both. Both access title will be changed. Now apply black text one font color to both value access title. Okay. Select and black text font color. Select and black text font color. Select this title and black font color. Select this title and black one. Okay. This step is completed now. Now moving on step number 11. Step number 11 is that remove the legend for the combo chart. Display 0 decimal place of the secondary value axis. Remove the legend. Here is legend. Remove the legend. Okay. Then is removed. And basically in this step we will remove the legend and we will display 0 decimal places of secondary value axis. Okay. For 0 decimal places, click on format axis. Here is decimal places. We will change data 0. Okay, enter. uh, Decimal place will be changed 0. Okay. 11th step of this assignment is completed now. I am moving to the step number 12. Apply light gradient accent 1 gradient fill color to the plot area. For plot area, click on plot area. Right click on plot area. Okay. Here's fill color. Click on fill. Gradient fill. Okay. Here is accent light gradient accent 1. Okay, it will be applying. Now I have done 12 step of this assignment. Now I am moving on step number 13. Step number 13 is about at all text. The combo chart shows to the number of percentage of downloads. Okay. Basically in this step we will add alt text. Okay. First we select this alt text and go to the chart Excel workbook. Right click on combo chart. Here is alt text. Click on this box and click on this box and type in alt text in this. Okay, alt text will be added. 13th step of this assignment is completed now. Now I'm moving on step number 14. Step number 14 is about spark line. Select the range B5 to E11 and insert line spark lines in the range H5 to H11. Apply black spark line. Black spark line style dot code. Okay, first we will select this range. Okay, basically in this step we will insert a spark line. These two ranges, between these two ranges. First we select this range. Okay, first range is selected now. H5 to H11 for second range. Click on control H5 to H11. Okay, for spark line, go to insert tab and line spark line. See, line spark line. Okay, based on second range. Here is second range. Sorry, H5 to go to insert line spark line. Okay, now we okay. Spark line is inserted. Inserted. Now apply black spark line style 4. Here is black spark line style 4. Okay, it will be applying. For applying sparkline color, go to sparkline and here is sparkline colors style. Okay, 14 step assessment completed now. I am moving on step 15. Step 15 is about show the high point and markers for sparkline. Change the high point marker color to red. Show the high point and markers. Go to the Excel workbook. Click on sparkline. Here is sparkline. Here is high point and markers. Okay, and change the high point marker color to the red. For high point marker color, here is marker color, markers, here is red. Okay, total step of this assignment is 22. I have done 15 step of this assignment. For remaining step, or you want to read for complete course, your exams, you can contact me through my email and WhatsApp. Both are given in description. I will provide you a grade in your assignments, your exams, your complete course. I have done this course for many students and they are passed an A plus grade. Okay, thank you so much. Please subscribe my channel and watch my videos and like my videos. Thank you so much. Best of luck.